Looking to upgrade your kitchen without overspending? Best cookware set for the money is what every smart home cook wants today. From durability to performance, the right set can transform your cooking experience. Let's explore top options that deliver real value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Cookware Set. The Cuisinart Chef's Cookware Set is a solid choice for anyone who prefers durability and classic stainless steel performance in the kitchen. Built with premium stainless steel and an aluminum encapsulated base, this set heats quickly and distributes heat evenly, helping eliminate hot spots that can ruin meals. Whether you're simmering sauces or preparing large family dinners, the variety of included pieces, from saucepans to skillets and a spacious stock pot, covers nearly every cooking need. The cool grip handles are a standout feature, staying comfortably cool on the stovetop while offering a secure, balanced hold. Glass lids fit tightly to seal in moisture and flavor, making your dishes more flavorful and consistent. The riveted handles also enhance durability, ensuring long-term use without loosening over time. This cookware set is ideal for home cooks who want reliable, professional-style equipment that performs well across different cooking techniques. While it may require a bit more care to maintain its shine, the overall cooking experience and long-lasting construction make it a worthwhile investment for serious kitchens. Number 2. CAROTE 14-Piece Cookware Set. The CAROTE 14-Piece Cookware Set offers a great balance of performance, convenience, and modern design, making it a strong option for everyday cooking. Constructed from reinforced die-cast aluminum, the pots and pans are lightweight yet durable enough for long-term use. The standout feature is the ultra non-stick granite coating, which ensures food slides off effortlessly, reducing the need for excess oil and making cleanup quick and easy. This makes it especially appealing for those aiming for healthier cooking habits. The cookware heats up quickly and evenly thanks to its extended bottom design and works well on all cooktops, including induction. Its user-friendly nature extends to maintenance as well, with simple hand washing keeping the set in excellent condition. The set includes a practical variety of essential cookware pieces, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. Backed by a 12-month warranty, it also offers peace of mind for buyers. Overall, this set delivers excellent value for money with its combination of style, efficiency, and ease of use.
Number 3. T-Fal Hard Anodized Cookware Set. The T-Fal Hard Anodized Cookware Set stands out for its rugged construction and smart cooking features designed to simplify everyday kitchen tasks. The hard anodized exterior makes the cookware highly durable and resistant to wear, while the titanium non-stick coating ensures smooth food release and easy cleanup. One of its most notable features is the thermospot technology, which indicates when the pan has reached the optimal cooking temperature, helping you achieve better results without guesswork. This set includes a wide range of pieces, from saucepans and fry pans to a griddle and Dutch oven, giving you the flexibility to prepare a variety of meals. The riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, even during longer cooking sessions. Vented glass lids allow you to monitor your food while retaining heat and moisture. Whether you're cooking quick breakfasts or elaborate dinners, this set delivers consistent performance. Its combination of durability, thoughtful design, and practical features makes it a dependable choice for busy kitchens. Number 4. CAROTE PFOA 26 PCS Cookware Set. The CAROTE PFOA 26-piece cookware set is a comprehensive kitchen solution for those who want both quantity and quality in one package. With a wide selection of fry pans, saucepans, stock pots, and even cooking utensils included, this set is ideal for fully equipping a kitchen. Built from reinforced die-cast aluminum, it remains lightweight while offering reliable durability for daily use. The non-stick granite coating provides excellent food release, allowing for healthier cooking with minimal oil and effortless cleanup afterward. This coating is also designed to be long-lasting, maintaining its performance over time. The cookware heats evenly across all cooktops, including induction, ensuring consistent cooking results. Practical additions like pan protectors and utensils make this set especially appealing for beginners or those upgrading their kitchen setup. Maintenance is simple, with easy hand washing keeping everything in good condition. Overall, this set offers impressive value with its large number of pieces, modern non-stick performance, and user-friendly design.
Number 5. T-Fal Signature Cookware Set. The T-Fal Signature Cookware Set is designed for simplicity, convenience, and reliable everyday performance. Featuring the ProGlide non-stick interior, it allows for smooth food release, making cooking and cleanup quick and hassle-free. This is especially useful for busy households where time-saving features matter. The cookware heats evenly, helping you achieve consistent cooking results whether you're frying, simmering, or sautéing. A key highlight is the thermospot technology, which signals when the pan is properly preheated, taking the guesswork out of cooking and improving overall results. The set includes essential items like fry pans, saucepans, and a Dutch oven, along with useful utensils, making it a practical starter or upgrade set. Comfortable handles provide a secure grip, while vented glass lids help retain heat and moisture while allowing visibility during cooking. This set is ideal for beginners or anyone looking for dependable cookware without overcomplicating things. Its combination of ease of use, thoughtful features, and affordability makes it a popular and practical kitchen choice. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon